You are beautiful, not because someone chose you, not because someone stayed, not because someone finally saw your worth. You are beautiful because the same God who spoke stars into existence, painted sunsets across the sky, and breathed life into this world, created you in His image. The one who told you otherwise lied. Your value is not determined by rejection. Your worth is not measured by someone's inability to love you correctly. You are rare. You are priceless. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. And in a world full of copies, there has never been and there never will be another you. Don't let a broken person convince you that you're broken. God already decided what you're worth, and He doesn't make mistakes.